Volkswagen ID7 shows not every EV needs to be an SUV. Well, this is the one that's coming for the Model 3. Is this the Model 3 killer? Yeah, it is.
It's a sedan or is it SUV?
No, it's a sedan. That's why I say Model 3. It has a trunk. I believe it has a trunk. But maybe it's more of a hatchback style trunk, but it's definitely not an SUV. It's a car. And the true only car that Tesla makes is the Model 3, if you think about it. The others are all, I guess, technically SUVs.
SUV. Yeah.
The Y is an SUV.
What about the Plaid? The Plaid's a
Oh, right. The S is not an SUV. But it kind of is, though.
It has a lot of trunk space.
When you open that hatchback and you put those seats down, it has more space than some SUVs.
Uh-huh.
But you're right. It's not an SUV because of the ride height and lack of off-road capabilities, four-wheel drive.
Mm-hmm.
Sport utility vehicle. That's really interesting. What qualifies as such a thing? Scheduled to go on sale in the U.S. in 2024 and previously teased at CES, the ID7 aims to breathe new life into the sedan segment with electric power, more tech, and aerodynamic styling reminiscent of the other ID models. Yet while it's a recommitment to sedans for VW, the ID7 doesn't have the market to itself. Sorry. EV shoppers have the Hyundai Ioniq 6, Polestar 2, and obviously the Tesla Model 3 to consider. I guess there's also the Lucid car is technically a sedan.
Yeah, but that's so
expensive.
luxury.
Yeah. And I feel like they're having trouble selling that. So I don't think this sedan thing applies to all aspects of the market. Like Mercedes even put a hatchback over there on their EQS, if I recall correctly.
Mm-hmm.
But anyway, I know Volkswagen has big plans for this thing because it's also a pricing thing. I believe this is going to be pretty affordable. And that's why it's coming for your Model $3. 300 miles of range. It's not going to be extremely quick, but it's going to be kind of a more mass market electric vehicle.
Yeah, and I wonder if there's going to be upgrades.
Look at that. Now they're saying it could translate to over 350 miles on US EPA.
The bigger battery pack?
Wait a second. A larger 86 kilowatt pack option.
Oh, okay.
In other markets, VW claims WLTP range of 435 miles with that option.
That's intense.
Whoa. Wow. That's going to be extremely compelling if they can deliver on that. Here's the interior.
Yeah.
Did they say anything about pricing, though? Because I felt like that was a big aspect.
Let me see here.
If there's any pricing speculation. I mean, obviously, you would assume it's going to be in Model 3 pricing territory. Maybe they haven't announced such things.
Yeah.
But anyway, that's going to be the killer characteristic. If it's an attractive price, they're going to sell a couple of those. I'll tell you that right now.